today's video, I'll show you how to use Jql in Jira in under a minute. Jql, which stands for Jira Query Language, is like a built-in search tool that helps you quickly filter and find issues. From your dashboard, go to Filters and select View All Issues, then switch to Jql mode. Here you can type queries such as project equals ABC to list all issues in a project, assignee equals current user to see only your own tasks, or status equals in progress to view work currently being done. You can also combine conditions, for example, project equals ABC and status equals to do. A useful query to try is created greater than or equal to minus 30 days order by created desk, which shows issues created in the last 30 days with the newest first. Once you've built a query you like, save it as a filter so you can reuse it anytime. That's how Jql makes searching in Jira faster, smarter, and much more efficient. In today's video, I'll